Want to block or unblock another user on Instagram Threads, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to block or unblock someone on Threads. Now let's get started. To block someone on Threads, open the Threads app and go to the profile of the user you want to block. You can do this by tapping their username or profile icon in your feed, or by searching for them. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner of their profile. In the menu that appears, tap Block. To confirm, tap Block again. To unblock someone on Threads, open the Threads app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Privacy. Then tap Blocked Profiles. Now tap Unblock next to the name of the person you want to unblock. To confirm, tap Unblock in the pop-up window. Note that if you block someone you follow, you will no longer be following them. If you choose to unblock that user, you will still not be following them. You can choose to refollow after unblocking if you wish. That's all it takes to block or unblock someone on Threads. For more helpful Threads tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Threads tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.